spending time outside tonight because we are in for a stormy Thursday. Kate joins us live from her home. And Kate, flooding is a possibility with this storm, you said.
It is indeed, Jessica. A flood watch will go into effect tomorrow afternoon at 2 o'clock, especially areas adjacent to some of the smaller creeks and streams in our area. Any of those low-lying areas that are prone to flooding may see some flooding concerns tomorrow night as this strong system works its way in. We had some sunshine earlier today. Let's go ahead and take a look at current conditions right now. And you can see some spots still reporting some sun. That helped us get up into the 60s, but very quickly, once the clouds came in, temperatures have dropped. 50s right now in Philadelphia, 55 in Trenton, 57 in Atlantic City, still hanging on to the low 60s, at least in Reading, Lancaster, and Wilmington, with a little more sunshine there. But an east wind bringing colder air in from the Atlantic Ocean right now. Winds have really picked up this afternoon. Sustained winds between 15 and 20 miles an hour, with wind gusts up to and in excess of 30 miles an hour in some spots. So a band of showers rolled on through. The cool air is back, and now here comes a very strong dynamic system bringing very heavy rainfall. Now, this was a line of severe thunderstorms yesterday across portions of the Mid-South and the Central Plains. Now, as it moves through the Midwest, Ohio, into West Virginia and Kentucky, it's more just a mass of heavy downpours, and that's what we'll see here. While we may have a few thunderstorms embedded within that area of rain, it does look like a soaking rain is going to be the biggest concern for us, as well as some strong, potentially damaging winds. 58 degrees tonight, mostly cloudy, breezy, mild, with those showers developing. Winds could gust to 25 or 30 miles an hour. Tomorrow, your forecast at a glance shows we hit our high temperatures in the mid to upper 60s early in the day, and then by late afternoon, that's when those precipitation chances, you see the green there, that's when they really ramp up. After about 4 p.m., we're talking near 100% chance of rain for the entire area right into the overnight hours. So a closer look as we time this out, as we get into tomorrow. Showers in the morning, but then as we jump to about 3:45 in the afternoon, that's when this line of steady downpour starts to make its way into the western suburbs. It will likely be raining when we go on the air at 4 o'clock here on CBS 3, and raining right through Thursday night. We'll take you right to 9 o'clock. Still pockets of heavy rain coming down. Through midnight, heavy rain across the area, and then it does start to wind down a little bit. But even Friday, on the back edge of this system, we'll see at least some scattered showers and possibly even a thunder shower as our storm starts to make its way out of here. So again, it's going to be a very messy Thursday night on the way, and then as we get into the weekend, some improvement. 67 degrees tomorrow. The flood watch will go into effect at 2 p.m. A wind advisory from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m., by the way. Friday, 65 degrees with lingering showers and a thunderstorm, then gradual clearing Saturday. Sunday, nice and warm with clouds and sun and the chance for a late day shower and a spotty shower chance, but highs still in the low 70s on Monday. So Jessica, things do get better, but we're going to finish off April tomorrow night with likely 1.5 to 2.5 inches of rain across the area. It is going to be a soaker of a Thursday night. We'll send it back to you.
All right, Kate, thank you.